show you how to remove facial verification and biometric passkeys from your Binance account. Whether you're facing technical glitches or just want to manage your privacy settings, I'll walk you through the latest update for getting this done and explain the security catch you need to know first. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, there is one golden rule. Removing facial verification or passkeys will trigger a 24-hour withdrawal and P2P trading freeze. Binance does this to protect your funds in case a hacker is trying to lower your security. So make sure you don't have any urgent trades or withdrawals planned for the next day before you proceed. To start, open your Binance app and ensure you are logged in. Tap the Binance icon or your profile icon in the top left corner of the dashboard. From the side menu, tap on your profile or email at the top to enter your account settings. Next, locate and tap on the Security tab. This is usually found directly below your user ID. Inside the Security menu, look for the section labeled Passkeys or Biometrics. This is where your facial data is stored as a login and transaction shortcut. Tap on Passkeys. You should see your active facial verification listed here, often with a green checkmark. To remove it, tap the Delete icon, which looks like a small trash can. A confirmation prompt will appear. Once you tap Yes or Confirm, you will likely be asked to authenticate the change using your remaining security methods, such as an SMS code or email verification. Once that's done, the facial passkey is officially removed. It's important to understand the difference between passkeys and KYC. While deleting the passkey stops the app from asking your face every time you log in, Binance may still require mandatory facial verification for high-risk actions, like resetting a password or withdrawing a large sum of crypto. This is part of their global compliance and cannot be fully turned off if your account is identity verified. If you're removing facial verification because the camera isn't recognizing you, check your lighting because most failures happen in low light or with heavy backlighting. Take off glasses, hats, or masks before trying again. If your appearance has changed significantly, you shouldn't just delete the passkey. You should use the Appeal Verification option in the support menu to update your records. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.